So to make these wholemeal and yoghurt flatbreads, you're obviously going to want some yoghurt. So I've got 75 grams of Greek yoghurt there. I've got about 8 grams of active yeast. How much have we got? 5 grams of fine sea salt. I've got some runny honey, okay, clear honey. I'm going to be wanting about 1/4 tablespoon of that. I've got about 75 grams of water, and then I've got 2 flours. We're doing it with plain flour, 125 grams, and then the wholemeal flour, 125 grams. So what I'm going to do is, first off, we're going to combine those 2 flours into the bowl, and then I'm just going to sprinkle in the yeast. Salt's got stuck in there. Do you want to come out? We're just going to quickly mix that through. Now the yeast and the salt don't get on too well, but this should be okay. Okay, now we want to add in that yoghurt. Get that yoghurt in there. Give that a quick mix. Add in that water. And then the honey, I think I said we want about 1/2 tablespoon of honey. Now we're just going to mix all this together until we've got a nice firm dough. Okay, so if you need to add a little bit more water, you can add a little bit, but go easy with it. You know, we want a nice firm dough, we don't want it too sticky. So it's going to be sticky enough with that honey in it. So I added about a teaspoon of water, and now it's nicely combined together. Not too sticky, like I say, you want it nice firm dough. Okay, so I'm just going to shake that into a ball. We're going to cover that over, and we're going to then let this rest somewhere warm for at least 30 minutes. So just about time to start making the flatbreads. So the quantity I've made here is enough for 4 flatbreads. So obviously I now need to just divide this dough into 4. And I've got a frying pan here, and what we're going to do is we're going to do them one at a time in there. So essentially we're going to roll it so it fits in the pan. Don't bother rolling it if it'd be bigger than the pan, because you won't fucking do it, will you? Grease it lightly with a little bit of ghee. Like I said, I didn't have any ghee, so I put a little bit of butter in there. So I've got some of the wholemeal flour left. Bit uneven, that one. Just in case we want it to roll it. So getting a bit sticky. So like I say, we just want to roll it out, preferably into a circle. Although it is Valentine's Day coming up soon, so I'm making heart-shaped ones. And then useless. And you're going to need a clean tea towel, and as we've cooked each one, we're then just going to keep them wrapped, and that will help keep them nice and soft and warm until we're ready to eat. Here's my flatbreads. Let's try this. So remember, this is a wholemeal and yoghurt flatbread. Very sweet. Remember, it's got honey in it.